Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. And in this video, I want to talk about a small, but bright spring flower that decorates gardens in spring and early summer with white and pink carpets. This is Arabis. Do you like Arabis? Do you grow Arabis in your garden? The genus Arabis unites more than 100 species of plants that grow from the Arctic to the tropical zone of Europe and South America. Arabis can be both a perennial and an annual plant. Arabis has three types of flower colors. The flowers are pink, white, or purple, about 0.5 inches or 1.5 centimeters in diameter, collected in small inflorescences. Arabis is one of the first flowers to bloom in spring. The first inflorescences appear at the end of April. Flowering lasts about 1 month. Arabis alpine. This type of Arabis is found in the Far East, the Polar Urals, northern Scandinavia, North America, Western Europe. It is a perennial, 12 inches or 30 centimeters high. Alpine Arabis has ascending shoots, and vegetative shoots are branched. They are pressed to the soil and form cushion-shaped curtains that do not die off for the winter. Flowers pink, white, fragrant. Flowering begins at the end of April and lasts about 25 days. Arabis caucasian. Some botanists consider Caucasian Arabis as a variety of alpine. Arabis caucasian grows in the Crimea and Asia Minor. It is a perennial, reaching 30 centimeters in height during its flowering. The flowers are white, collected in a racemose inflorescence. Arabis caucasian begins flowering abundantly in early June. Flowering lasts about a month. Variety Schneehab has white flowers. Cultivar Rosabella has pink flowers. Arabis ciliate. This plant is native to the mountains of California. This perennial is about 4 inches tall and has pink flowers. Grade Frühlingssauber with small leaves and pink flowers. Cultivar Rote Sensation with pink flowers, more elongated foliage. Arabis Ferdinand of Coburg variegata. It is a perennial semi-evergreen plant 2 inches or 5 centimeters tall and 12 inches or 30 centimeters in diameter, growing in Bulgaria. This variety of Arabis is characterized by lush flowering, white flowers. The leaves are variegated green in color, with a white border or with a pinkish border. The plant prefers poor, drained soil. The best place for planting is light partial shade. Where to plant Arabis in the garden? Arabis requires sunny, open places, and also grows in some shade. However, if Arabis grows in a sunny flower bed, the bushes grow compactly, the plant grows rapidly and blooms profusely. Arabis loves sandy, loose, properly cultivated soil. Arabis is an aggressor plant. It grows quickly and absorbs areas where neighboring plants grow, so from time to time it is necessary to shorten the shoots. This action will improve the flowering of Arabis next year. Arabis reproduction. The plant can be propagated by seeds, cuttings, and dividing the bush. Tertiforms should be propagated by cuttings, as well as by dividing the bush. The best time for sowing is spring or late winter. Seedlings will flower in their second year. I usually plant rooted cuttings in the spring or fall, leaving about 12 inches between plants. Preparation and rooting of Arabis cuttings should be done in early June. Rooting occurs in a few weeks. In open ground, cuttings should be planted in September. The use of Arabis in landscape design. Arabis looks great in borders, mixed borders, rock gardens. The best partners of Arabis are tulips, fritillaria, carnations, irises. Arabis is a popular choice for alpine and rock gardens, edging, or even growing in a container. It also grows spectacularly at the base of shrubs and hedgerows. I hope the video was helpful and interesting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up at the bottom if you enjoyed this video. See you later.